Number 5.
Imagine if you could fit more of what you want into your day. What if you could spend a few more minutes with your family in the morning? What if you could squeeze one more errand in over lunch? What if you had more time to do the things you love? Introducing the Immotor Go, the future of personal transportation. Intelligent, easy to use, and engineered to maximize your day. Stand apart from the crowd while riding with the Immotor Go's stunning design. Travel safely at night with the adjustable bright LED headlights built right into the scooter. The Immotor Go replaces your morning walk to public transport, allowing you to spend a few more minutes at home. You'll get around the city faster and easier than ever before, and not have to stress about finding a parking spot or locking it up. The Immotor Go gives you control over your commute so that you have more time to do more of what you love. The Immotor Go is foldable, smart, and powered by green energy. Its three-wheel design means there's no training or balancing act required. Pairing with your phone is a breeze and allows you to safely navigate between your playlist, maps, and even take a selfie while commuting. The first-of-its-kind smart battery is packed full of safety protocols and has been engineered to do more than just power your commute. It's removable, serving as a versatile power source to charge your laptop and a variety of other devices on the go. The Immotor Go has been engineered from the ground up to truly be a personal device, centered around the goal of allowing commuters to take back control of their day. Whatever the reason for using personal transport, the Immotor Go has you in mind.
Number 4. Number 3. Number 2. Number 1.
Ujet presents the most technologically advanced and stylish vehicle especially created for urban lifestyles, the Ujet Smart Scooter. It starts with your most individual item, your smartphone, which serves as ignition key, anti-theft and tracking systems. The intuitive interface provides unparalleled connectivity with Wi-Fi, speakers, HD camera, GPS and full access to your contacts, social media and the web. Optically, the Ujet expresses the future with its disruptive asymmetrical design. The empty wheel configuration houses a revolutionary suspension system for a surprisingly smooth ride. It also contains our highly innovative electric engine, which delivers speeds up to 45 kilometers per hour and great power even while driving uphill. Several of its precision-crafted elements are interchangeable, so you can individualize your vehicle as you wish. 2 seat heights, 2 body designs, and a wide range of colors are just some of your options. Nano-augmented materials provide for a stronger, lighter frame and an ultra-long-range battery. This new battery charges fully in 2 hours and powers a range of 80 or 160 kilometers, depending on the model you choose. It can even be separated from the vehicle for ease and versatility of use. And to accommodate the specific needs of city life, the Smart Scooter folds in 5 seconds, then rolls for easy storage. Through high technology and personalized futuristic design, Ujet has created the ultimate solution for getting the most out of urban life. Ujet, moving imagination.